I keep things very simple and I don't put too many ingredients.
What we truly believe is that every ingredient of the food you should be able to taste. I came to Nova Scotia in 2016. We started our lives with our regular jobs at CIBC Bank, but then we moved to follow our passion at the Halifax Seaport Farmers Market, offering people homestyle Indian food.
You can feel the love in the food. It's completely made from the heart.
They're the sweetest people, and they always seem genuinely happy to see me when I come.
My samosas. That's my weekend go-to lunch. Lamb samosas are absolutely killer.
There are certain things that I'm allergic to, and if I'm sensitive to something, they'll actually take that ingredient out.
That's why I'm here today. They messaged me yesterday to say we'll have the vegan butter chicken. It has to be spiced in a very particular way, and they make it that way.
Traditionally, it's really hard for an Indian kitchen to be gluten-free or to be nut-free or to be completely vegan. We were in the market, we got to know that these are the pain points of people.
We have options for everybody. Like, these are the points which we really focus on.
People started asking for us, can you make this frozen food for us? Can you prepare meals for us in advance? That just gave us an idea that this Indian food could be much more. We brought in some new equipment to serve our Indian food in a better way. And that's kind of propelled us to go to local grocery chains and so that people can enjoy it from the comfort of their home. The first emotion to start this business was to bring family and friends together. So the same idea is being carried forward by letting our clients enjoy their family time with some good food which is healthy. And when they all can take their minds off cooking, they can enjoy their time in a better way.
They come for food, that's for sure, but they want to know more about us and we want to know more about them. So it's like a very friendly relationship which we built. We are thankful to Halifax people.